Emma was packing her suitcase for her upcoming holiday to Greece. She was feeling very excited. This was her first time traveling outside of her home country. "Are you ready for your trip, Emma?" her mom asked, walking into her room. "Almost, Mom," Emma replied. "I just need to find my swimsuit." "Don't forget your sunscreen and hat," her mom reminded her. "The sun can be very strong in Greece." "I won't," Emma said. "I'm all packed now. I can't wait to go." The next day, Emma and her family took a taxi to the airport. They checked in for their flight and went through security. "This is my first time on a plane," Emma whispered to her dad as they boarded. "Don't worry, Emma," her dad said reassuringly. "It's going to be a great experience." The plane took off, and soon they were flying high above the clouds. Emma looked out the window in amazement. She had never seen anything like it before. After a few hours, the plane landed in Greece. Emma and her family collected their luggage and took a bus to their hotel. The hotel was beautiful, located right on the beach. Emma spent the next few days swimming in the sea, sunbathing on the beach, and exploring the local town. She tried delicious Greek food, saw ancient ruins, and went on a boat trip to a nearby island. Emma was having a fantastic time on her holiday. She was making new memories that she would never forget. "Hi, Ben. Are you going anywhere exciting for your holiday this year?"
Hi! Yes, we are going to travel to France.
"Oh, wow. That sounds amazing. How are you getting there?
We are flying by plane.
Are you departing from a big airport?"
Yes, we are leaving from London Heathrow Airport.
"Cool. Have you booked your hotel yet?"
Not yet, but we are planning to do that soon.
"That sounds like a great trip. Have a wonderful time."